I grew up on a farm. I had passion for growing things from the get-go. My mother introduced me to that. Luffa has so many attributes. I read an article where Luffa had been used to assist in oil spills. That really inspired me. It's something you could grow that's going to help us clean up the planet. This is things we want. My nephew and his wife, they own this beautiful farm. It's all totally organic, which is up my alley. And sure enough, they leased me a small piece of it to further my passion with the Luffa. The plant itself has taught me so many things. It's been a lot of trial and error. This is a tropical plant. It's full of magic. Flowers everywhere, almost everything's edible. The plants grow 3 feet a day, and they're just spectacular. We've always known it for our skin, but who knew it was even a plant? And then you find out you can eat it too, and it's like, holy cow, who knew? When people come to my Great Canadian Luffa Experience, I'm hoping that they learn sustainability is such a positive direction for us and our planet. At the end of the day, Mother Nature will provide everything we need. If we just search into Mother Nature, she has a product for us. And certainly Luffa is one of them that can really make a difference in our lives. In the spring, you come and you see a wee little seedling, and you're thinking, holy, what's she even talking about? You come in July, and there it is. It's 3 feet tall, and it's stretching for the top of the trellis. Early August, you'll see it overtaking the trellis. Oh my goodness, the flowers will be blooming, and the big fruit is hanging everywhere. Then you come in the fall, and I'll show you how to peel it. Dive into the bucket of water, and you can clean it right there on the spot. Just have fun with it all. When you put your hands in the soil, it does something special to you. Dirt is the stuff you get under your fingernails. Soil is the stuff that grows plants. It's good for your soul to put your hands in the earth and feel the life force in the plants. I've spent most of my life helping Mother Nature make things beautiful. That's what's in me to give to you guys that come visit. My name is Cindy Lou Oulton. We're here at Taproot Farms, downtown Luffaville, introducing the Great Canadian Luffa Experience. This is something you're not going to see anywhere else. We're totally unique, so come on in and join us.